Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Preschool Online. It is Circle Time. I'm so glad you came and joined me today for Circle Time, so I'm not so lonely. Let's stand up and say the Pledge of Allegiance. Remember that right hand goes over our heart, eyes are on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to our side and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed in school and life. I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. Oh my, let's take a look at our date. It is the 4th of June. I see Miss Gracie's birthday tomorrow. I bet you Gracie's so excited. Are you excited, Gracie, for your birthday? Let's sing our Days of the Week song to figure out what day of the week is today. You ready? Here we go. Days of the week. 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 Here we go. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Here we go. Sing it loud and proud. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 And today is Thursday, June 4th, 2020. Tomorrow is our Friday, our last day of Preschool Online for this week. And it's Gracie's birthday. Woohoo! All right. We said it was going to be sunny today, and it is sunny. It is sunny and very warm and humid. So make sure you stay cool today. What kind of weather are we going to have for our Friday, Gracie's birthday? You think it's going to be sunny, partly sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy? What do you think? I heard somebody say sunny. I'm going to put it right here in our prediction square. Let's say our alphabet together. Are you ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Woohoo! Okay, let's count to 20. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job, friends. Counting backwards from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's take a look at some colors. What color is this? Brown. What color is anger? Red. What color is the triangle? White. What color is the fish? Orange. What color is disgust? Green. And what color is joy? Yellow. Excellent job. Let's look at some shapes. What shape is this? Rectangle. What shape is this one? Oval. What shape is this? Triangle. What shape is this? Star. Awesome job, friends. Let's go ahead and sing our shape song. Let's see. Oh no, I pressed the button. I didn't mean to press the button. Yeah, let's try back here. All right. have angles and lines.
There are flat shapes and solid shapes. We see them all the time. Now I will say a shape. I want you to say it too. We'll play the shape name game. That is what we like to do.
Here we go.
Circle,
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 square,
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 triangle,
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 rectangle,
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 oval,
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 diamond,
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 heart,
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 star,
star,
star.
star.
Shapes have names, they're made of angles and lines. There
Our flat shapes and solid shapes, we see them all the time.
Now I will say a shape. I want you to say it too. We'll play the shape.
Shape, name, game, that is what we like to do. Here we go.
Rhombus,
Rhombus,
rhombus.
rhombus. And if we don't call it a rhombus, what do we call it? A diamond, that's right. Excellent job. Moving on, our nursery rhyme this week is, here we go around the mulberry bush. Yeah. Let's go ahead and watch that video.
Mulberry bush. Come on, guys. I'm so happy you're here. Sorry, Mary. I tripped over your teddy bear.
Mary, what happened here?
I guess I was having a little too much fun to clean up. But cleaning up is fun.
It is. If you add a dance, come dance with us.
Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our clothes, wash our clothes, wash our clothes. This is the way we wash our clothes so early Monday morning. This is the way we wash our clothes so early Monday morning. This is the way we make our bed, make our bed, make our bed. This is the way we make our bed so early Tuesday morning. This is the way we pick up our toys, pick up our toys, pick up our toys. This is the way we pick up our toys so early Wednesday morning. We make our bed on Tuesday, we pick up our toys on Wednesday. This is the way we scrub the floor, scrub the floor, scrub the floor. This is the way we scrub the floor so early Thursday morning. This is the way we fold our clothes, fold our clothes, fold our clothes. This is the way we fold our clothes so early Friday morning. We scrub the floor on Thursday, we fold our clothes on Friday. This is the way we sweep the house, sweep the house, sweep the house. This is the way we sweep the house so early Saturday morning. This is the way we bake our bread, bake our bread, bake our bread. This is the way we bake our bread so early Sunday morning. We sweep the house on Saturday, we bake our bread on Sunday. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning.
Ready for a treat?
So yummy. Wait, just a minute. There, all clean. Thanks for helping me clean up. It was fun.
Now let's eat. Which one do you guys want?
I kind of want to eat all of them.
She's so silly. Wants to eat all of them. All right, let's take a look at some money. What is that? Dime. This one, nickel, right here. Penny. And this one is a quarter. Let's review our numbers. What number is this? 4, 7, 1, 10, 2, 8, 6, 3, 5, 9, and it's time to make our numbers. Are you ready? Working on 7, 8, and 9. Let's go ahead and get started. If you have your pieces in your mat, let's grab our little line and our big line. We're going to put the little line at the top because we're making the number 7. Yes. And grab our big line and we're going to turn it into a slide. Put it in a slide. Grab it. There it goes. Okay. So now we have our slide, and we have our number 7. Little line across the top, big slide down. You ready? Let's do it together. Fingers at the top. And we say, little slide across the top, big slide down. What number did we make? 7. Let's snap our fingers 7 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What number are we going to make next? It's the hardest number out of them all. It is the number 8. That's right. Let's go ahead and make the number 8. What letter do we write first when we start to make the number 8? We make the letter S. So let's go ahead and make the letter S, little curve. There's my S. But are we making S today? No. We're making 8. We have to grab another little curve. And another little curve to make 8. Awesome. Starting at the top, we say little curve, little curve, little curve, little curve. All right, that's 8. Let's clap our hands 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job, friends. All right, let's clear our board, and we're making our last number. What is our last number? 9. Yes. So 9, we start off with our little curve, and we put it at the top right corner. We grab our big line down. There it goes, right over there. Boop. And now we have our 9. For our 9, we say little curve, big line down. Ready? Let's do it again. Fingers at the top. And we say little curve, big line down. If you are practicing writing anything at all, like Clark wrote his brother's name, if you're practicing writing your name, writing the numbers 1 through 10, send me a video. I want to brag and show all your friends what amazing things you're doing at home. Stay cool today because it's kind of warm outside and it's going to get hotter as the day goes on. I hope you have a terrific Thursday. And I can't wait to play Numbers Bingo with you. See you soon. Bye, everyone.